Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Professional Learning Online. The topic which we are going to cover today is Excel Reader through Apache POI. So Apache POI is an API available with us and it's an open source. We can use it, and there are various ways to read Excel files like XLS and XLX file. So you see on the screen this is a small program written where if you have the XLX file, you can create the object of a file input stream and then create workbook object using the workbook factory if you are using a password protected file. In case you are not using a password protected file, you can directly create through XSSF workbook object using the APIs. If you are using the XLS file directly, you can create the HSSF workbook object using the APIs. Once the workbook object is created, then it becomes easy and pretty straightforward to read the Excel file and its data using this workbook object. So how it happens, we'll see in the following slide. So as we move on, we see that out of the workbook object, we create, the object of the sheet using the sheet name. So I have a small main method written in this example where I'm passing the sheet name and the Excel file name to the specific method where we are reading data from the particular Excel file. So this is the helper method. I'll come back to it. You see here the main method and the get Excel data method. So once you create the object of the workbook, we can get the object of the sheet, and then using that sheet object you can have rows, and in every row you can iterate through the cell and get the cell value. Now here is a catch, and the important thing is get cell value. So this is a custom function which we have written because every type of object you create in Excel cell can have a different value. Like for example, you can have a numeric value, you can have a string value. So in order to handle such things, right, what we are doing here, we are getting the cell value using the cell object, right? You see on the screen I'm creating an evaluate function on top of the cell. So cell is giving us the cell value, which we see if the cell type is a string or a numeric or blank or none or a boolean. Accordingly, we do the conversion of that value into a string variable. So like that, right, we return from here an object, and if you see in the subsequent way, class object method, the get cell data, we convert this value into the desired values. So here is a small example of the query result which we extract from the Excel file, and then we convert those Excel read elements into the list objects, and then list objects are iterated through, and then we can print the values which we want to. In this example, I'm just printing the column A of every row. So similarly, you can iterate through, and whatever you want to print, you can do it. So it is straightforward. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment. Please subscribe to my channel.